Hi guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I am actually going to be doing a product review for you guys, and it's not going to be hair related. It is actually makeup related, and I'm super excited because this is a sponsored video and these products were sent to me. The product that I'm going to be sharing with you guys is actually the Urban Decay. Let me get the box so I can read it right. So this is from Urban Decay. This is their Stay Naked HydroMANIAC Tinted Glow Hydrator. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Super cute. You can pick this product up from Sephora, but today I am going to be showing you guys how this product looks on me, how I use it, and some of the benefits from it. So we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. Like I said, you can pick this up from Sephora. This is what the product itself looks like. So it comes in this nice size tube. When you take the top off, it has like a really nice size indicator at the bottom where you can squeeze the product out and not too much comes out. I will say I have tried this product already, and whenever I use it, you can get like a lot of use out of a little bit of product, so you don't have to be heavy-handed with the product. So I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. The shade that I'm in, I was actually sent two shades, the 51 and then 60. 60 is the medium dark, and then 51 is medium. I tried 60 and it was just a tad too dark for my skin tone. So I'm actually going to go ahead and show you guys the 51 on my skin. I do have darker areas at the top of my, like in the forehead part of my head, forehead part of my face. So I'm going to try not to bring the product up too far up in that area. But yeah, so I am just going to go ahead and put some on the back of my hand. My hand is clean. Always make sure your hand is clean. I'm going to start off with a little bit. So this is just about how much I'm putting on my hand, guys. So not a whole lot. And I shouldn't have done that. I should have just put it on my fingertips and then rubbed it together to warm it up. So that's what we're going to do. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this side, just rubbing the product in with my fingers. Let me know in the comments if you guys like to apply your foundations or tinted moisturizers on your skin like this. I feel like when I do it this way, I'm able to really rub the product into my skin versus using a beauty blender. So I'm just taking this product in. I already done my eyes and everything, so I really wanted to focus on just, you know, my face and the coverage of this product. I will say this product does provide like a medium coverage, so it's not like full on coverage or light coverage. So it's medium coverage. It also provides like a dewy finish as well. So in these cold months, I know a lot of times we like to reach for products that are going to be hydrating towards our skin, and that is one thing about this product as well. It says on the packaging itself on the back that it provides up to 24-hour hydration, which is good. And then it has up to 24-hour glow. So it looks like, let's see, and it's going in, it's blending out really well, and I'm just using my fingertips. Another thing with this product, guys, I know we're spending a lot of time in the house right now because of the times that we're all in, but it also says that it has that 24-hour wear. So that's really good to know, so that whenever I do go out, whenever it is safe to, you know, hang out and everything again, it's good to know that this foundation or this hydrator will last me up to 24 hours. So that's really good. So I am moving on to the other side of my face. This is what this side of my face is looking like. So nice coverage. I do have some acne scarring that's peeking through on my face a little bit, but that's fine. This provides like a really natural finish on my skin. So that's this side. And I've already started applying the product on this side. And I am really, really loving it. I can barely feel it on my face. Can barely feel it, y'all. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep applying this product. I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit more. It matches my skin tone perfectly. I am really shocked at that. It matches so good. I am wondering how it's actually going to look when it, you know, sets all the way. So I'm just taking a little bit more product. Like I said, I'm not going to go onto my forehead with it. Only because like my forehead is a little bit darker, and I know even though this foundation matches this part of my face, it might not match the top part. Yeah. I'm going to take it here, but these are the areas where it's a little bit darker, a little bit trickier. Blending it out. Another thing with this product, guys, it's very hydrating to your skin because it has kombucha filtrate in it, and then it also has marula oil to protect your skin. So that's really nice as well. We need that in these cold months, I feel like. So that is definitely a plus. Alright guys, so the rest of my face is done. I went ahead and added some concealer. I went ahead and added some highlight to my face and contoured a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and come in a little bit closer so that you guys can see how this foundation is looking on my skin. Alright, so like I said, it provides a really natural, medium coverage, dewy look. And it feels so nice on my skin. If you guys will be trying out this product, let me know down in the comment section. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up. And I also left some links down in the description box for you guys if you are interested in the product. But that is it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!